I know this is not gonna hurt that much, but I'm just so scared. Parang nakakagulat lang siya, or parang a little pinch lang. But doing it on myself is so different. This is an IPL machine. So scared. What? Fear is on the mind. I shouldn't be doing this myself. Fear is on the mind. Tangina. To the lowest level. This is the lowest level. And if you see people using this, wala lang talaga. Tingnan natin, tangina. Sure. Oh, you are open-minded? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ay, sus Mariose. 1, 2, 3. Gusto ko, literally nothing. 1, 2, 3. Bro, it's nothing. Oh my God. Sus. Guys, I can do this all day.